Photo blocks can be a great last-minute DIY gift for Valentine's Day. And if you click this video, no doubt you're looking for a quick and easy Valentine's Day gift for that somebody special in your life. But don't worry, I got you. For these photo blocks, you're going to need these pre-cut 2x2 blocks, 1 1/4 inch wood letters, which I picked up at Hobby Lobby, and photos. Rounding over these corners is not necessary, but it adds a nice touch. Also, it gives me a chance to provide you with additional information and items that you'll want for this project. I'll be using stain for the blocks, white spray paint for the letters, and spray lacquer for the finish. You'll want to sand all of the surfaces of the blocks with a 120 grit sandpaper. Pay particular attention to any rough sides. If you'll be staining your blocks like me, I highly recommend using a sanding sealer before applying stain to help ensure you have even color. If you decide to use spray paint for your blocks, you can skip this step. Once the sanding sealer is dry, I will do another light sanding with 120 grit sandpaper, stain the blocks, spray the letters, and through the magic of video editing, to apply the letters to the blocks, I like to use a Q-tip to apply the glue. I use wood glue, but you could also use crazy glue. After applying the letters, I'll spray the lacquer and move on to placing the pictures. I ordered this 4x4 collage through Walgreens. The pictures come out very close to the exact size of the blocks and only require about a 1/16 of an inch to be trimmed all around for them to fit. I'm leaving the 4th block empty for now because I may decide to do something different with it later instead of a picture. This Gorilla Glue is perfect to put the pictures onto the blocks. And there you have it, the perfect DIY in a day project for Valentine's Day, or in this case, a wedding anniversary. Alright, so if you enjoyed this one-day DIY project, hit that thumbs up button for me. And if you want to see more projects like this that don't require any tools, then make sure you click on that subscribe icon and click the bell so you'll be notified the next time I upload. In the meantime, check out this video right here.